is Nabila Rani. I'm from Indonesia, currently studying at Curtin University, majoring in Business Information System and Logistic and Supply Chain Management. Curtin University has been my chosen institution to develop my academic, professional, social, and personal capabilities. Throughout many years, I have opportunity to engage with many professionals, learning with interactive materials, and also engage with various of people with different social and cultural background. Specifically, today I want to reflect my time throughout many years at Curtin University. First, I want to talk about my employability tools, about my enhancing your business mind, time at uni, my career plan, and message to my future self. So, let's go. So, I'm going to reflect towards my employability assessments. These employability assessments is conducted at the beginning of the semester from enhancing your business mind class. These assessment tools will show again 6 literacies for my future's development for myself and future's development towards my career. So this literacy includes a basic, rhetorical, emotional, ethical, cultural, and social, occupational, and personal and critical literacies. So this is the results at the beginning of the semesters. As you can see, I have a good results towards the occupational literacy. It shows that I have a good awareness towards my career path and I have a plan B for my future path as well. But as you can see as well, I have a really poor results towards the basics and ethical, cultural, and social literacies. It shows that I have to develop my skills and practices to develop my future careers. And for the ethical and cultural and social literacies, I have to develop a sense of understanding and responsibility as a professionals. So my intention is to develop all of the literacies and improve all the literacies for my future's developments. So this is my result at the end of the semesters of employability assessments. As you can see, I improve at all aspects of literacies, and my aims and objectives is achieved. As you can see, the basics and ethical, cultural, and social literacy has improved a lot. It shows I have a good understanding and development towards my skills and practices as a student, also as a professional. And regarding the ethical, cultural, and social literacies, it shows that I have more understanding towards my responsibility as a professional. This result has shown Curtin University has developed me as a student through their learning process and materials. As you can see, I improve at most of the literacies and my aim has been achieved. Enhancing your business mind is one of my favorite units at Curtin University. It offers an interactive learning activities and materials. The classes emphasize the self-development that emphasize also social and academic values. At the beginning of the semesters, I have a hesitation to make a friends with others because we come from a different social and cultural backgrounds. For me, the biggest barriers is about language. English is not my first language. But throughout these methods, I have gained confidence to interact and do conversation with others. From there, I can build a relationship with others, with my classmates specifically. The activity has developed my teamwork and collaborating skills because most of the activities, it involves a group's activities to solve a problem together. Sometimes I didn't get the context of the activities directly, but because I do the reflection writing every week, so I can identify what things that I need to improve throughout the week. The most important thing from this class is that now I'm more prepared about my future careers. I'm more confident to jump into the industry, and also I'm more confident to jump into a professional environment. I'm also aware to being a professional that ethical and also professional. I think I choose correct institutions to develop my personal and academic skills. There's a lot of ups and downs throughout the semesters, throughout the years, specifically about times and financial management. I have to do both learning and working simultaneously. The problem is for myself. I have a poor time management and also consistency on doing my tasks. So I have lose control on doing my daily tasks. I have a really great confidence towards my majors and degrees at Curtin University. Business Information System and Supply Chain Management is a new types of majors that have a great exposures in industries. Because in the current situation, I think you have to do both the operational and analytical skills. By doing this major, I feel I have a more exposures and opportunity in terms of the employability. I think I chose a correct major and degree at Curtin University. Business Information System and Supply Chain Management has bring a relevancy towards the industry because at current situations, I need systematical skills and analytical skills. Supply chain and business information systems is really important at current industries. It brings confidence for my future's employability. I think I haven't used the resource from Curtin University optimally. Therefore, I want to improve my work ethics and also management so I have a greater control towards my life on a daily basis. However, sometimes I feel there's a lack of relevancies because Curtin University materials and learning process haven't captured real world scenarios. I really have a small knowledge about what system it's implement in the real industry. Therefore, I want to reduce this gap by taking another course outside Curtin University. Once I graduate from Curtin University, I will directly work in big company as a supply chain professional. I have an opportunity to proceed to postgraduate programs. Therefore, I want to work before that. To secure my opportunity, I will improve my qualification by taking a short course or maybe certifications on supply chain tools and also management tools like a Tableau and also SAP. Therefore, I have more understanding on using the system that is really important in current industry. And once I've get hired by big companies, I want to stay there until I reach the top management levels. Once I reach the top management levels, I want to go back to my home country to bring my knowledge and expertise and create my own supply chains company. Once my company is sustained, I want to get into a governmental institution and I want to be a minister so I can be someone that have a power to give back to a community and also I want to create something that good for like Indonesian peoples. A message to my future self. You have to be more consistent, confident and persistent on doing everything. I believe by doing this, you can achieve higher and you can achieve better. I hope I can implement all of the expertise and knowledge that I received from Curtin universities. I never forget being a global citizen, meet people around the world. It's a really pleasant experience for me. Therefore, just a piece of advice. Keep learning and keep self-developing. By doing that, you can keep your relevancy throughout your life, especially in a workplace. In conclusion, I will evaluate myself throughout many years at Curtin universities. I received a lot of experience, knowledge, skills, and opportunity to engage with a professional so I can develop myself for the futures. I will use and evaluate all of these things, all of my experience throughout Curtin University to build my career plans. Also, I will never forget the advice. Keep learning.